everybody. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sibahle, and welcome guys. We are doing a soft glam makeup for the girlies. Starting off, we're gonna apply this concealer from Rimmel London in the shade 01 Honey. I love this concealer because it's thick and lashes everything nice, guys. Like, I would definitely recommend if you're looking for a concealer that is affordable. As you can see, I did my eyebrows off camera so this video doesn't get long. Right now I'm doing a bit of blending using my foundation brush to blend out the concealer, to prep for my eyeshadow that I'm gonna do in a second. Okay, here we go. We are using this palette from Makeup Revolution. It has all the nice colors, guys. Like, I chose brown for this look because what is soft glam without brown? Like, brown is just so subtle, gives a pop of color, and yeah. As you can see, I didn't do too much because guys, we don't want heavy things on our eyelids. Like, this eyeshadow look is just right. Okay, next we are using this gold. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I'm using this gold eyeshadow in the middle of the thingies. This makeup look is so easy, guys. Okay, up next we are applying this eyeliner from Wet n Wild, if I'm not mistaken. And then I went ahead and did my what you call eyelashes off camera. And then tada, my eyelashes are done. Next we are applying this primer serum from Wet n Wild. Like, it's running out. I'm running out, guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna follow with this baby skin from Maybelline primer as well, to prep for my foundation, to give it that base that I was looking for. You will see, guys, like, prep your skin. You can't just go in with your foundation on just your skin. You have to put primer first. As you can see, I am using my hands because the brushes take up the product and I don't want that. Okay, now we can go in with our foundation, and I'm in the shade Toffee Pecan. This foundation is from Wet n Wild. I am gonna use my foundation brush to blend out the products on my face. Off camera, I used my beauty blender because the brush was not doing what I was supposed to be doing. and then I went with the darker concealer, as you can see, where I put this darker concealer on my face, contouring my nose and stuff. And then I used my beauty blender to blend out that concealer. This darker concealer requires a bit of time to blend your edges of your face, your contour on your nose, and it needs a bit of time, so you gotta like be patient with it. And then I went it with my concealer again, the one I used on my eyelids, to brighten my under eyes. Okay, I went in with my blush from Essence. Like, I did too much with the blush, but it's not a problem because I love blush. And yeah, I think I'm a blush girl because each look that I do, like, it includes blush and a lot of this. Guys, please tell everyone you know to come and subscribe to this channel. Like, it's a vibe, guys. I'm sorry, but it's a vibe. Like, we want to grow as well. We're on the road to 100 subscribers, and your support would be appreciated if you don't mind. If you have gotten to this part of this video, like, I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you for watching. Now it's time to bake. I am using this banana powder. I've forgotten the name of this powder that I'm using, guys. I'm sorry. Listen, I've been wanting to use this brush for the longest time and I haven't found the use for it. But then on this video, I found courage and decided to like use it. I don't know how, but as you can see, I'm just fluffing out the products on my face. Make sure that it's blended correctly. And next, I'm using this black brow pencil to line my eyes to make them pop, guys. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah. Okay, next I am using this setting spray from Essence Cosmetics. It gives that instant matte look after you're done doing your makeup. Like those that don't use setting spray, what are you hoping for, guys? Like your makeup is gonna like do all sorts of crazy things. Next, I'm using this lip gloss from Maybelline. It's a lifted gloss in the shade 001 in the shade Moon, if I'm not mistaken. I love this gloss, guys. Like it's giving pink lips. It's giving. Okay, next I'm applying this mascara from Essence. Love it so much. Okay, we are almost at the end of this video. See you when I post another video. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, and join again next time. Bye.